Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this video, I'm going to be talking to you about my skin, and it's going to be kind of like a come along with me like journey on clearing my acne, and I'm really excited for it. I've had acne since like probably 5th or 6th grade. When I started wearing makeup, I began to get acne, and it has not gone away since. If you've been watching me for a while, you've seen my videos in the past, like my makeup videos and like tutorials, things like that. I always start without any makeup on, and I do have some acne. It's pretty bad. I personally probably think it's worse than other people do just because it's my skin. It really bothers me. I think it's one of my main insecurities is probably my skin. So I want to do something about it. I went to a dermatologist last summer and they gave me some skin stuff. I was taking pills and I also had a gel to put on my face. And it was to help with my chest and like shoulder acne, like my body acne, but also my face. My skin had a reaction with the sun and the acne medication that I was on, and it made me literally like break out in like a huge rash all over my face. My skin would burn. So I wanted to try something different because I completely stopped that. I tried it for like 2 months, didn't really see a difference, wasn't really consistent with it, and it really bothered my skin. It was terrible. So I stopped using that, and I haven't really done anything with my skin since. I'm not really huge on skincare, and that's probably why I have a lot of acne. I decided to try out Curology, so I'm really excited. I just got this in the mail today. I was out all day, but I just got home. It's like 10:30 or 11, but I think I'm gonna try it tonight and start my journey here. Basically, about a week ago, I went on the Curology website. I answered all of the questions that they ask you. It's just basically a series of questions about your skin and what medications you're allergic to, what you like, what you don't like, what kind of skin you have, and like things like that. And then you also submit photos of your acne, and they assign a dermatologist especially to you, and they create a acne medication for your skin based on pictures and what you've said about your skin and things like that. So I felt really supported throughout the whole process, and that was really nice. This is what the box looks like. It's so cute and small, and I love the packaging. I'm really excited. I'm like, I really hope this works. This is my little Curology bottle. It's super cute. Here's what the back says. It says my name, and then it says everything that was specifically made for me, and then my dermatologist right there. Just says apply to face nightly. This is by far the worst my skin has ever been. I'm not really sure what has happened in the last few weeks. My skin is just terrible, and I was just over it, so I went on Curology, and now I'm here. It literally looks so bad, like, I don't know. I'm also gonna insert some pictures of what my skin looks like up close photos, just so you can like kind of see, because I'm not sure if like it's like you can tell that I have really bad acne. I'm about to go shower, and then I'm gonna come back and put on the cream with you guys once my skin is all like cleaned and stuff like that. I just finished my shower. I don't really know how much I'm supposed to put on my finger. Not burning, so that's good. I'm gonna go to sleep now, and I'm probably gonna check in with you guys when this week is over, because I got this and it is Monday. So I'm starting on Monday, and I will see you guys on Sunday probably for a week 1 check-in. Hi guys, so this is my 1 week check-in. Right now it's July 17th, so it's technically, what day is it, Tuesday? Oh my god, it's Wednesday. Technically it is Wednesday because it's like midnight, it's like 12:30, and I just got home and took a shower. I literally love it, guys. I cannot wait to see how well my skin does for the next like few weeks, and like I just love it so much. I'm so excited. My skin's looking so good. Like my cheek on this side has cleared up dramatically. This side I'm still having a few breakouts. I still have breakouts, but like you guys don't understand that like my skin is looking better than it ever has before. All I do lately for makeup is spot conceal and mascara. Like it has looked so good lately. I'm gonna insert some pictures that I took throughout this week because I haven't been doing like daily check-ins, but I've taken like pictures this week. So I'm gonna insert those, and I'm just gonna let you guys see. I literally woke up this morning and like pimples that I had last night were gone. Like, it is insane how fast this is working. It's kind of scary. I actually have to put my Curology on because I'm about to go to sleep. This is like about how much I use. They say to use like a pea-sized amount. And make sure to get like my chin and stuff like that. And yeah, I will just keep you guys updated on how everything's going.